Myself Surendra Bhattai. Today I am discussing about human skeletal system. Objectives of the topic. At the end of this topic, you will be able to define skeletal system and write its function. Also, you will be able to count number of bones in the human body. Introduction to skeletal system. Now I am talking about the human skeletal system. The supporting framework of a body made up of bones and cartilage is called human skeletal system. The human skeleton is made by bones and supporting tissue. Bone is the hardest tissue which is made by calcium, phosphorus, silicon and other minerals. The bone contains bone marrow. Yellow bone marrow produces WBC, white blood cells, and red bone marrow produces RBC, red blood cells. Major function of skeletal system are as follows. They give shape and size to human body, protect internal delicate organs like heart, lungs, liver, etc. They produce blood in bone marrow, stores mineral like calcium, phosphorus, etc. Human skeletal system is divided into two parts. They are axial skeletal system and appendicular skeletal system, or you can say axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton can be divided into two parts. They are skull, vertebral column, ribs, and sternum. Similarly, appendicular skeleton has two parts. They are bones of limbs and bones of girdles. Bones of limbs has three parts. They are arms, legs and patella. Similarly, bones of girdles are of two types. They are pectoral girdles and pelvic girdles. Axial skeleton. The skeleton present in the axis of human body is called axial skeleton. Axis means it starts from head and extends toward the vertebral column. It contains about 80 bones in adult and 87 bones in child. It includes skull, bones of head, vertebral column, and thoracic case. Skull. Skull contains about 29 bones. It is the bone of head region. It contains cranial bones, facial bones, ear ossicles, and hyoid. Cranial bones. There are 8 cranial bones. They are 8 in number. Frontal, front side. They are 1 in number. Parietal, they are found 2 in number. They are found at the top of the head. Temporal, they are 2 in number and found in the side, temper, towards temper. Occipital, 1 in number, which is found at the back of the head. Similarly, sphenoid is 1 and ethmoid is also 1. Therefore, altogether, there are 8 bones in cranium. Facial bones, there are 14 facial bones. They are mandible 1, maxilla 2, palatine 2, zygomatic 2, nasal 2, vomer 1, lacrimal 2, and inferior nasal conchae 2. Therefore, altogether there are 14 bones in face. Ear ossicles. There are 3 bones in the ear. They are malleus, incus, and stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone in the human body. Altogether, there are 6 bones in ear because we have 2 ears. Hyoid. Hyoid is the bone which is found at the lower part of the mandible and it supports skull. Vertebral column. Vertebral column contains 33 bones in infant and 26 in adult. They are as follows. Number 1, cervical vertebra has 7 bones. Similarly, thoracic vertebra has 12 bones. Lumbar vertebra has 5 bones. Sacral vertebra has 5 bones in infant and they fuse to form 1 in adult. Similarly, coccygeal vertebra or coccyx contain 4 bones in infant and fuse to form 1 in adult. Therefore, altogether there are 26 bones in adult and 33 in infant. Thoracic bone, it is also called bones of thoracic case. They are also divided into 3 parts, true ribs, false ribs, and floating ribs. First 7 pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are called true ribs because they are starting from vertebral column and joined to the sternum. Sternum means this front bone in the chest. Similarly, false rib, 8th, 9th, and 10th bone are called false rib and they are starting from vertebral column but not touching to the sternum. They are attached to the 7th vertebral column. Floating ribs. The bone of 11th and 12th pair are called floating ribs because they are floating and starting from the vertebral column and floating there. They are not joined to any bones or any sternum. Appendicular skeleton. It contains bones of girdles and limbs. Pectoral girdle. It is the bone of soldier. It contains 4 bones, 2 on each side. The 2 bones of each are scapula and clavicle. Bones of upper limbs, also called bones of hands, and are also called bones of arms. Humerus, 1 in number. Radius in ulna, 2. Carpals, 8. Metacarpals, 8. And phalanges, 14. Therefore, altogether there are 32 bones in a hand and there are 64 bones in 2 hands. Similarly, the bones of lower appendages, they are pelvic girdles and lower limbs. Pelvic girdle, found by 3 bones. Sorry, here should be 3. Here is written 2, but here should be 3. Pelvic girdle, it contains 3 bones. They are ilium, ischium, and pubis. Pelvis of woman is wider than male to accommodate the baby in the pregnancy period and to allow free passage of baby during birth. Therefore, to make the easy passage for the baby during birth, the pelvis of woman is generally greater than the man. Bones of lower limbs. Bones of lower limbs means the bones of leg. They are femur, patella or knee, tibia and fibula, tarsal, metatarsal, and phalanges. Femur is the longest bone in the human body. Patella is the bone of knee. Tibia and fibula are 2 in number. Tarsal 7, metatarsal 5, and phalanges 14. Therefore, altogether there are 62 bones in 2 legs. Thank you very much.